The Jew of Malta, 1589 to 19। क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो का वर्क है द जी ऑफ माल्टा। इससे पहले टिम्बरलाइन देखे थे हम लोग, अब देखेंगे द जी ऑफ माल्टा। द प्ले ओपन्स विथ ये प्रोलॉग नरेटेड बाय मैकविल। ये caricature of the author Macville explained that he is preceding the tragedy, the Jew of Malta, Jew, tragedy of a Jew who has become rich by following Macville's teachings. Barbus, a Christian hasting merchant of Malta receives in his country house a party of merchant who report the arrival of several vessels laden with wealth from the east. At the same time, three Jews arrive to announce for an important meeting at the Sente with Governor French. The point of the meeting was that the Turkish master of Malta demanded the overdue payment which Turkish signer purposely lets the payments lapse over a period of year so that he melts will have choice of either payment or surrender. The Christian governor of the island, attempting to collect, the tribute of due payment in a month, he gave a judicial decision that the Jew will have to give over half of their estates or become Christian. All the Jewish community except Barbus agreed to the decree of the governor and seized all Barbus' wealth as punishment, and Jew house were turned into the Christian convent. Next point है Barbus to takes revenge from the governor. Barbus, to avoid complete ruin, purposely not reported the part of his treasure hidden in the foundation of his house. He pursued his daughter Abigail to painted that she has converted to Christianity so that she might enter the convent to recover the treasure. Abigail does her work dutifully and throws the money bags out of the window to her waiting father. Martin de Bosco, voice admirer of Spain's spell, one of his selves to Barbas. The selves is an Arabian named Ithrom. He asked his daughter Abigail to show favor to the invited two young men to his house. One is Don Lodwig's, the governor's son, and Don Mathis. Barbas wanted Abigail to betrothed to Lodwig. Lodwig had heard about Abigail beauty from his friend Mathis. So he was tempted by Barbas, thinking Abigail will marry him. At the end, second act, these two young men owe revenge on each other in order to owe Abigail. Barbas sends a forged letter to Mathis through Ithmor, supposedly from Lodwig, challenging him For Dul in Act Third, Belmira and her pimp play Broja both the prostitutes. Plebroja both the prostitute plans to steal some of Barbe's gold. Ithroms fell in love with Belemira. Ithrom fell in love with Belemira. Lodwick and Matthias killed each other in the duel. Feregi, the governor, and his wife Catherine owed revenge to Barbes. Ithroms tell Abigail about her father's role in the young man's death. Abigail was engaged from his father's act. She entered into the convent to become a nun with the help of a Dominican friar Giacomo. Barbas kills all the nuns of the convent by posing them in the rice, as he was irritated by the act of her daughter. French meets Trooks and explained that he will not pay the required tribute. The Trooks leave, warning that Calumet, their leaders, will attack the island. Giacomo and another Frera, Brandrin, are despaired about death of all nuns. Abigail, who is also close to death, tells the Frera about her father's roles in Matthias and Lodwig's death. Barbas and Ethmore were delighted at the nun's death. He is confronted by Giacomo and Brandrin and realized that Abigail has confessed his crimes to this frere. In order to distract the frere, Barbas pretends to convert to Christianity. Giacomo and Brandine fights to get the Jew in their own religious house. Next point है Barber takes Brandine to comes to his home. Ethmore strangles killed by choking throat. Baradine and Barbes framed Giacomo for the crime. Next point है Ethrom confesses his master's crime to Belmira and she decides to report this matter to the governor. Barbes is maddened by Ethron's trickery. He, disguised as a French lute player and poisoned all. Three conspirators three conspirators by using a poisonous flower, Belmira, Pilia Borgia, and Ithmore. In the final act, when Frenge comes to know about Barbas' crime, Barbas fakes his own death and escapes to find Clement. Malta is captured by the Turkish force and Barbas is made governor. Calmeth prepared to leave. Fearing his own life, Barbas tells Francis that he will free Malta from Turkish rule and kill Clemeth in exchange for a large amount of money. Franz agrees and Barbas invites Clemeth to a feast at his home. When Calumet arrives, Frege prevents Barbas from killing him. Barbas dies in Caludron that he had prepared for killing Calumet. Fenge tells Calumet that he will be a prisoner in Malta until the Ottoman Emperor agree to free the island. Note: this play has been considered to have a major influence on Shakespeare, The Merchant of Venice. ये प्ले जो है वो इन्फ्लुएंस है शेक्सपियर का प्ले एक है द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस। उसी से इंपॉर्टेंट कोट, इसका इंपॉर्टेंट कोट जो है द जीव ऑफ माल्टा का, वो आई काउंट रिलीजियस बट चाइल्डिश टॉय एंड होल्ड देयर इज नो सिन बट इग्नोरेंस बाय मैकविल। मैकविल के द्वारा ये बोला गया है।